Hey, what's up? You're watching Let's Ride with these guys. In this video, Clarence is going to show us how he likes to clean motorcycles with minimal water use. You want to give us like a quick rundown? Like, which one do I start with?
Well, we're going to do your tire first, right?
Yeah.
So basically, just all basic wheel cleaner. I like this one because it foams up and then you can just use water to wipe it off so you don't waste a lot of water. Then dry it off and then we can dress the wheels, but don't get it on the bottom part with the traction arms. We're going to just use this to make it look brand new and stuff and protect the rubbers on it. Okay. So you're just going to go around like this, and then you're going to take another towel or the one that's on the floor, and then you're just going to kind of like go like this. See how you do that? And that's just going to protect the sidewalls and stuff. Mm-hmm. Like I said, I'm not putting it on the bottom of the bike because you don't want it. It makes it look like brand new too. Okay. And you don't want that on the bottom because you don't want to lose traction and stuff. So I just do like a small bead. And then we just cover the whole bike with this stuff. No polishing needed or anything. Basically, you put on chrome pipes.
Is this what you've been telling me to get for like the last month? Okay.
Yeah, because what it does is these are on motocross bikes so that it doesn't like stick like dirt and stuff like that doesn't stick to the bike. That's why the bike always looks clean. You can put it everywhere, engine, everything. It goes anywhere. Anywhere. Awesome. I like it because you don't put liquid on the bike.
Yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks for sharing this. It saves us a lot of time for us to research this.
On the black parts of the bike. Yeah, we can even take the seat off and just do the seat like that. See? I do everything, even the pipes.
Whether you have just a couple of cleaning products and you've got this beautifully clean motorcycle. And of course the last step is to have pizza with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, tips or tricks that you like to do to keep your motorcycle looking fresh and clean, go ahead and drop a comment or a like, and we will see you next time.